Hello guys, good morning, welcome back. I am Budi Utomo from Solo and I am 22 years old. Thanks for the time. First of all, I would like to tell you about my family. Alright, my family is me that my strength and my weakness. I've divided my topic into two sections. The firstly is talking about my father. The finally is talking about my mother. Do you get my point, guys? Okay, so now the officially I am gonna tell you about my father. He is my best friend and forever friend. He is my hero and teacher, but most importantly, he is an intelligent and more responsible. He is helpful. Though finally, I am gonna tell you about my mother. He is my best friend and forever friend. She is pretty head and very special head. He is beautiful and generous. Do you get my point, guys? Okay. And the conclusion, family is the people who always support me. Thank you for watching me. See you and bye bye.